Hello everybody, this is going to be a video of this 52-inch Codep Stratosphere 4 in my brother's room. This replaced the Hampton Bay Landmark 3 Plus that was in here. Honestly, I think this fan looks a lot better in here. And this fan was manufactured in April of 1986. I got this off of eBay for $25 last week. It arrived 3 days ago. I mentioned in the descriptions that this fan had a back capacitor. I put a new one in, and now it works. Anyways, this is also the only hover fan that I own currently. Here are the blades. Got reversible stencil to just a plain oak. I do love this fan a lot. Alright, now I'll demonstrate it. On the light pull chain it has the Codep logo. Here you can probably see the stencils better now. I do love stencil blade fans a lot. Alright, here's low. It does hum a little bit. It is slightly noisy. Also, this fan looks kind of similar to other brands that make fans that are similar to this, like Evergo, Sears Roebuck, Moss, and Halsey. I have seen a lot of fans from those brands that look really similar to this. Also Newtone as well. Here's medium. Oh yeah, you do notice that some of the screws are white. Some of the screws are missing too, but I had extras. Like I said, it is a little noisy. Here's high. It is a little bit wobbly on high. If you look carefully, you can see the wobble. Alright, thanks for watching. Oh, and I forgot to mention this. There's no wall switch for this fan, so to turn it on, you just use the pull chains. See? Even if every single switch in here is off, Now I can end the video.